Okay, quick update. It's March 17th, Friday, 8:46 a.m. on the East Coast. Happy Friday, everyone. Quick update. Let me get this disclaimer out of the way. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is going to be education and to please do your own research. So let me get that disclaimer out of the way real quick. So Bitcoin's pumping probably because the Fed printed like 300, was it 300 or 30 billion? Probably 300, right? Let me take a look. 300 billion in 300 billion in 1 week. So I think that's why, we've had this pump recently. So see now, the last time I bought Bitcoin at somewhat relative high prices was back in February 20th. So then I was buying the dips, where I saw the CME gap close, and then it has another one, but that's another story. But I bought the dip, and then now Bitcoin's pumping again. And it went much higher than I thought it would. From my last high buy, went all the way up almost 10%, 8.7% from my last purchase price at these higher levels. So I was kind of buying on the way up. I got 1-2 orders filled, and then it went up. If it comes back down, I'll buy at these lower prices here. But this is I'm just dollar cost averaging, and then if it comes back down, I'll buy the dips lower. But it'd have to come down pretty big. So let's take a look. If that CME gap gets filled, then we're looking at like a 24% drop for Bitcoin if that CME gap gets filled. I still think it's a good probability, but if the markets or investors think that the Fed is going to continue printing money, it's only been like a week since last week. The three U.S. banks were kind of having troubles, and now Credit Suisse is getting a bailout, and this could just be the beginning for the money printer to go burst. So if investors think this is going to continue, then maybe that CME gap won't get filled down here. So that's why I dollar cost average. So let me just zoom out real quick. I'm going to put this on the weekly, and so still buying in these low levels, it's not a bad idea. I was buying down here when we're out of the green zone, saying it could be a generational buy to buying opportunity. So if you had the guts to buy, you're up quite a bit. Let's take a look. So if you got somewhere down here at the lows, and you'd be up like 65% today. We're not even at the midpoint on this green area zone. I don't expect a reversal for Bitcoin until we reach, we get out of the green zone and somewhat getting close to the red zone. We could look at those charts later with, the pie charts and stuff, and the logarithmic charts. But, relatively speaking, buying in these green areas, over time will pay off. Look back at 2015, we were bouncing around in here for a while, and then we broke out and went parabolic. So before we go parabolic is the time to buy. And so I'm dollar cost averaging now. So that's the update there. The stock market, it still looks bearish. This moving average even looks like it's, kind of rolling over, like it's going to go into recession. So if Bitcoin is going to break for the markets, this is the time Bitcoin should do that. And I know Binance said they were going to invest like $1 billion in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. So maybe they're dollar cost averaging also right now. Million Token, if you want to know what the official governance site is, just be sure to go to milliontoken.org, which is the official website, and then click on, the governance vote, and that'll take you to a page like this. The previous proposal about removing the USDC for like Ethereum or Bitcoin or something, that's been removed. They didn't go through proper channels as far as going to the official Discord or Telegram and getting feedback from the community, and then, getting approval from the admin. Not just anybody can make a proposal. That's general, route of how you make a proposal. I think in the past it was if you had 1,000 tokens, you could make a proposal, but then we were just getting too much spam, and it was voted on, it's got to go through, Discord or Telegram admins to get approval. So that's that. I know there are other fan sites of Million Token that have their own governance proposal sites and stuff. And they could have their votes among their own community, but it's not going to have any weight to what TechLead does or what the official members are doing in the official Discord and Telegram. So that's why it's important to know that milliontoken.org is right now the official website for the token, which TechLead is involved in. The other fan sites, I don't think TechLead's really involved with them. And considering that they were spamming the proposal multiple occasions, I don't think he's a fan of the other websites. Sorry, but if someone was spamming my website, I wouldn't be a fan of their website. So that's it for the news today. I think the main thing is Bitcoin's pumping. Let's see how high it actually did go to. It went as high as I'm just gonna watch this over the weekend. If it continues to go higher, my buy went at to 27,000. Let's see now, $27,033.04 was on Coinbase. Interesting. So, I space my buys. If it gets up to 21,200, maybe my next buy will kick in. But I've got 3 limit orders down here. I canceled some of the limit orders I had way at the bottom here, like that was down here, and then I just bought up here. But I still got a lot of limit orders way down here. So if this thing continues to rocket, I'll just continue to cancel my lower limit orders and I guess buy as it goes up. And then I still got a lot of fiat on the side ramp. So this is just small buys, dollar cost averaging. So even if it rolls over, it's no big deal because all these green buys right here are all in profit basically right now. And that's not even all of them. I think that's just when I was keeping track of them recently. So yeah, looking back now, dollar cost averaging is paying off when you start making new relative highs with Bitcoin. And yep, if anything else comes up new, I will make another video. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Like, subscribe, and comment down below and share if you like this kind of content. Thanks. Bye.